What's going on YouTube? As most of y'all know, I'm on vacation right now and I'm currently in the middle of filming a vlog. But the problem is, I was gonna do a little like video of trying snacks that I got at Disney World and put it in the vlog, but it was way too long to put in the vlog. So I'm gonna make a separate video. This is the intro right now, but I'm gonna make a separate video and y'all can watch it right here. And yeah, let's get into it. Roll the intro. Okay, me and Drayson are gonna be doing a taste test of the stuff that I got from the Japanese place that I told you I was at.
Yep.
All right, so first thing we got is strawberry flavored mochi. So apparently it's like ice cream but freeze dried. So we're about to try that first. Yes, it is. Or it's a rice cake. I don't know what it is. Hold on. All right. Oh, that feels weird.
Yo.
That feels weird. All right, hold up. 3, 2, 1.
I would go with bubblegum. But it's not.
That's an interesting. It's not bad. It tastes like a marshmallow kind of.
But with bubblegum feeling.
Look. It's not bad. It just feels weird to swallow because it does feel like you're swallowing bubblegum. What do you rate it? I'm gonna give it like a 6.
7.
Alright. On to the next one. Next thing. The aftertaste is kind of bad. I'm not gonna lie. Next thing.
Pocky. Chocolate covered
Yeah,
Pockies.
chocolate covered Pockies. You know, I've never had Pockies, so.
I have before.
What up? Alright. Open it.
Let me open this one.
They come in this package. I changed my rating. It's like a 5. That wasn't very good. Yeah. But after this, we're about to go find a. Well, I'm gonna change and then probably. I don't know. I might take IG flakes. All right. This is what it is. This is the Pocky. All right.
3.
I think it's gonna taste like a chocolate pretzel probably. 3, 2, 1. That's good.
It's not.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is great.
No. There's no way. No.
I feel like I understand.
It tastes like
Wait.
something I've had before, but I don't know how to describe it. That's it. Bro, that tastes exactly like something I've had before. But I'll probably give that like a 6.
Stop.
Probably like an 8. That's pretty good. Next, we have,
What was that?
you know, we have watermelon candy. Right, this is the package it comes in right here. The pack. See the little candies right there. But, we're each gonna get one. This is here. These little packages here. I don't really know what it says. If you speak Japanese, let me know in the comments what it means. Probably just says watermelon flavor.
Meanwhile,
Me choke, bro. Alright. Oh, this looks like a gummy. Oh, but it's like a Jolly Rancher type.
Yes. 3. Wait, hold on. Wait. 3, 2. TSLR.
No, that's good. That might have been the best thing I've had. Wait, no. That actually might be a 10. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's really good.
A 1. I'm putting it in the trash.
What? 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 That was by far the best thing we had. If you ever go to Disney World, for sure go cop. This is tough.
We have.
So we have a problem. The candy that I got earlier that I should have taste tested for y'all. We already ate it. And the drink that I bought. We already drunk it. So this is the only thing we have left. Is these half a box of macaroons? How you say it? But I want the red one. I tried to pick it up earlier and it just completely crumpled. Oh, and I'm gonna taste test my apple cinnamon thing, but I've never had a macaroon before.
Is it?
So hold up. So
No, I'm not buying this.
this better be good. 3, 2, 1.
It smells like coffee.
Can't do anything. It tastes like a Pop-Tart.
No. I'm not eating that.
It tastes like a Pop-Tart. But, I mean, it's not bad. But, it's not
I
good.
might be lying for anything.
It's not bad, but it's not good. And, yeah, we're gonna try this last. That's definitely really strong. Right here.
You put your mouth in this shit.
No, I didn't.
I know you did.
No, I didn't.
I know you did.
All right. This is we got at the French pastry. This is the apple cinnamon pastry thing from the France pastry shop in Epcot. This, I had some of this earlier, but it's good. I'm gonna taste it for you. Like 3, 2, 1, go. No, I can eat it. It's really good.
It's good.
It's not as good now, but it was really good earlier. Earlier, it was like a 8.5. Now, it's like a 6.5.
You had up to 7.
Well, that concludes the end of the snack taste testing thing, whatever you want to call it, mini vlog. Stay tuned for the YouTube video for the actual vacation.
It's gonna drop Sunday
Yeah,
or Monday.
maybe Sunday or Monday, like whenever I get done recording it. But let me know what y'all think about this video. I'm really just posting it for the other video, but let me know if y'all want more stuff like this, and I got y'all. Wait, hold on. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment, turn on notifications so that way you'll see when I post another video. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.